Hello guys. Hello guys. We are in Pamei. This is us. Guest singer for Pamei Union. My walang sudah kini. even if we think traveling comes up. This is Pamei. Main brother is down here. So I've never vlogged in Pamei, right? I'll be doing as the compares along with 3 more ladies. And this is my friend guest singer. That's Maya. And then not joking, we just came to what is that? SDO office. We're being sent for some walk. Okay, see you guys later. Show you a glimpse of Pamei from up here. It's a very small town, but a very useful for this area. This is Pamei subdivision. The blue pin and yellow wall is the buzzer shed, like Ima Kaito type. The buzzer of a woman, and SBI is over here, and up here is hospital. So I would say this is my first vlog in Pamei. They also have been the honor to be a compares at this Pamei Union. I'll give you a glimpse of it. See you guys later. 가고 있어네. Behind the scene 바라도 됐나 이거? We have momo here, chow here. You'll get everything that you like. See you guys later. Pamei, and this is one of the best restaurants. We have then paratha, aloo paratha, egg roll, chicken chow, pork chow, egg chow, veg chow. I don't know if you can see it. So if you happen to come to Pamei, just get in and enjoy. Yeah, so it is very clean, very hygiene. You will not regret it. So just trying to have something before we go to Tamenglong. So here we are. We look very fair than we really are. Look, shining and wonderful your camera is.
Ready, go!
No.
Quick. Bye. So we're moving off from Pamei. 주준보, hi, 看着. Today we will take out the word expected and become our body.
1 hour later.
Finally we are home. We are here at Mr.'s house. Yeah. Ai đây vào mùi view sẽ hả Chu below beautiful scenery guys. This is what it is. People are supposed to live up this. Rather handsome one. Handsome one. The handsome one. Nanggang pakalo, please. We have our lunch. Again after. At least say subscribe. Nandito ka na si Manya. Oh, come on. We're moving forward. Up. Stand up on you. This is typical of my house. This is pure. We don't mix water. Raw. Okay. Orange plant. Sulami. Beautiful view. It's so beautiful. This is a new pronto, new doing it. Church.
Welcome to my channel. Lo bùi quỳ đam đam à.
cái tàu bay to không ta phi hay không rồi làm sao
Yeah, we have reached Tamelong.
Hi.
The ground is here. We'll show you after inside. This is the site. We are at the venue. I guess we're late. not late. Have YouTube channel.
아이들 나오고 고스펠 소녀 먹기대.
Hello. Ninim 생기pada.
Tonight. For tonight. Bye bye. Thank you, sir, for your jacket. It's still very cold. It's still very cold, but better than something is better than nothing. So thank you. Thank you to my two brothers. Very handsome, not available. Somebody is going to promote my channel.
Welcome back to Patricia channel.
Đi một lại mấy? Cảm ơn.
We are here in Tamenglong for Pamei conference.
Where am I? Our relative's house in Tamelong. You don't know even everything. So I'm just making ready for them and digesting with this. So actually the committee arranged the bed for us, but we feel more comfortable here at the home. So here are we. Then I'm hi le. This place. I like to hi camera. Kaya pa may gorasing gane ngara. I'm just making black tea ready for my fathers. Let's say I call them Atuna. All of my uncle who is at the back. So I'm ending my night with this cup of chai. Let's flash it. And this is the ground. Oh, this is a policeman. This is the first time I'm coming here. Hey, this is my friend going to the restroom. It's a church. It's a Baptist church. It's a beautiful view. Tomorrow it's gonna be beautiful tomorrow. So this is the end of first night. I had a good time. It was really cold, but it's a good thing to gather at this place. I mean, such a big program, and I thank God for giving me the opportunity. Good night, guys.